and welcome to my channel. My name is Sandy and this is the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel. Today I'm going to be doing a shopping haul and I'm getting ready for 2021, and at the beginning of every year I always start off with a complete clean, deep clean of my home as well as some organization. And so today's haul is around some of the things that I picked up in preparation for that. So if you want to see what I picked up, then just keep watching.
Oh, before I get into the haul, let me share with you what I got for Christmas. I got a new cookware set by Calphalon. And so to start off this video, I'll just share this because it aligns with my projects, which is to get organized. So this is the actual cookware set here, and you can see that they stack. Which means that they take up less space. So they're supposed to take up 30% less space in your cabinets. And I am all about organization and having adequate space. So I thought I would give these a try. And this is the Calphalon Premier Space Saving Kit.
So it gives you the use and care instructions and how they're supposed to stack together. So it's either an 8-inch stack or a 10-inch stack. And so this is showing you how to do that. All right, so let's see here. Those are the lids. I don't want to break them, but I can see that they have the handles are on the lids, which is what helps with the stacking. Sorry about that. So this is how the lids look. So that's kind of interesting. All right. All right, so this is what the set looks like, and I've just kind of taken them out. I haven't washed them yet, but I'm going to be doing that. And it's got the larger pan here, a larger skillet, 2 larger skillets, 2 the pans like this, and then a smaller skillet type pan. So this is the current state. It's in the worst shape ever. Everything is just kind of in disarray because it's really too crammed in there for everything to really have a space. And even though I bought these things for the lids, we just get lazy and just kind of plop them in there. So the goal is to make this look more orderly, but also to purge some of these pots because there's a lot of them in here that really aren't being used, and so it's not necessary. So this is the project for today. Clean out, organize.
These pots absolutely delivered as it relates to saving space. I love them. I've actually been using them for a little bit, and I do love the pots. The only con that I have for the pots is they are extremely heavy. So if you are thinking about getting them, keep that in mind. They are very, very heavy, sturdy pots, which is good on the one hand, but for handling them it could be kind of challenging. Other than that, they cook well, things don't stick to them. I absolutely love them. And now on to today's haul.
All right, so the first thing I picked up was this, and it's a stacking shelf. And it actually has another piece that you can buy to go with it. I didn't see the other piece, and this was on the clearance rack. This actually was folded down. I don't even know how it was folded now, but this was $4 for this, and it is by Made Smart. But I'm going to use this in my pantry just to add some layers so that I can get more items in there. So that's one of the things that I picked up. The other thing was this drying station. Now, this is not really organization. However, I needed it. So even when I wash my dishes in the dishwasher or whatever, sometimes they don't come out completely dry or whatever might happen. Or there are certain things that I wash by hand. So this will make it handy. This is something that I'll tuck away when I'm not using it because I don't really like to have dish racks and things like that on the counters. But this will work. And it also comes with this pad. So I like that. Then at, and those came from TJ Maxx. Both of those came from TJ Maxx. This here is also by Made Smart, and these are interlocking bin pack, and it's 9 of them in here. And this is for some drawer organization. So I'm not sure which drawer, if it's going to be a junk drawer or utensil drawer, but this will work for either. And this was on the clearance for $5. I think that says. Hopefully that's not upside down. I don't know why I always come on here without glasses, but yeah, this is on clearance at TJ Maxx. The other thing that I picked up is same concept as the other with the stacking. This is a 2-tier Lazy Susan or turntable, and I'm going to try to use this in the pantry as well. My pantry is like a wreck. Through the holiday season, it has just gotten out of control, so I've got to get in there and get it organized. This was on the clearance for $6 at TJ Maxx. So I got that. And then I picked up another one of these. Now, I know they sell these at the Dollar Tree, but they're not as sturdy as these. So this one was on the clearance for $4. So I picked it up. But these are great in the cabinets to tier, to put glasses or plates or however you want to do them. But I love these. So I've got a couple from Dollar Tree. That's how I know they're not as sturdy, so I'm going to be replacing that. Then I picked up some interior detailer. This is for my car. My car is a tragedy. So my grandkids were here with me. I have both of their car seats still in the car, but just riding around in the car with them and them eating, and Cole throwing his sippy cup with milk in it. It's a mess. So I'm going to clean my car. I'm going to try to detail it myself, do my interior, vacuum it out and all of that good stuff. And then the other thing I actually got this from the thrift store. So another thing that I do this time of year is I go through my home and I do a lot of purging, getting rid of stuff that I'm not using, so that I don't go into the new year with, just a lot of stuff that I don't need that someone else could use. So I usually donate to the Goodwill for that reason. But today I went to drop off, went through the back door to drop off, and then turned around and went in the front door, which is what I always do. But I found this, and this is right on time. These are some bamboo drawer dividers. And this was brand new in the box. I actually opened this, but they look like this. And again, I'm not sure which drawer I'm going to use, but I have a number of them that need to be organized. But I picked this up from the thrift store, brand new in the box. And it said that it's professional grade, whatever that means. But I thought that was a good find. So I'll be getting some organization done with that. And then I picked up a pillow. Now this is to do with my cleaning. Confession. I don't replace my pillows as often as I should. I know that I need to do that, but I purchased a pillow. I'm not even going to tell you how long ago it was, but it was a while ago. And it's not a washable pillow at all. So what I do is I take a little bit of bleach, a bleach mixture, or some vinegar and something, just different things that I use. And I just kind of do a scrub of the pillow on the outside. It's one of those memory pillows or whatever that I bought from a furniture store when I got my bed. So anyway, it's old. How often do you change your pillows? Am I like all by myself? I know it's totally disgusting and TMI, but anyway, I've rectified that today, hopefully. Let me show you this pillow that I bought. And that's another reason why I hadn't replaced it, because the pillow was it was pricey. And at the time that I bought it, I was having a lot of problems, like with my back and stuff like that. So I did the splurge, and it was so worth it. But anyway, I found this at Home Goods, and this is it says it's Miracle Bamboo Pillow. I don't know, but it felt pretty good. It's got nice feel to it because I like kind of a firm type of pillow. And this is a king size, and it was $24.99. It says as seen on TV. I've never seen it on TV. I just know I needed a new pillow, so I'm going to give it a try. And hopefully it will work because it was a lot cheaper than what I paid for that other pillow that has to go in the trash. Whether this works or not, I've got to get rid of it. So anyway, that is it for my haul today. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not currently subscribed. And I hope to see you back here on my next video. Have a great day and happy organizing.